I eat bread. I eat bread. I don't eat bread. I don't eat bread. He drinks milk. He drinks milk. He doesn't drink milk. He doesn't drink milk. She drinks tea. She drinks tea. She doesn't drink tea. She doesn't drink tea. You run fast. You run fast. You don't run fast. You don't run fast. He cooks dinner. He cooks dinner. He doesn't cook dinner. He doesn't cook dinner. She plays with a ball. She plays with a ball. She doesn't play with a ball. She doesn't play with a ball. We run in the park. We run in the park. We don't run in the park. We don't run in the park. They sit on the chairs. They sit on the chairs. They don't sit on the chairs. They don't sit on the chairs. You read a book. You read a book. You don't read a book. You don't read a book. You write a letter. You write a letter. You don't write a letter. You don't write a letter. They write notes. They write notes. They don't write notes. They don't write notes. She drinks juice. She drinks juice. She doesn't drink juice. She doesn't drink juice. We read stories. We read stories. We don't read stories. We don't read stories. I walk to school. I walk to school. I don't walk to school. I don't walk to school. I walk every day. I walk every day. I don't walk every day. I don't walk every day. I go to the shop. I go to the shop. I don't go to the shop. I don't go to the shop. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. He doesn't play the guitar. He doesn't play the guitar. She sings a song. She sings a song. She doesn't sing a song. She doesn't sing a song. We dance together. We dance together. We don't dance together. We don't dance together. They study English. They study English. They don't study English. They don't study English. He rides a bike. He rides a bike. He doesn't ride a bike. He doesn't ride a bike. She jumps high. She jumps high. She doesn't jump high. She doesn't jump high. We swim together. We swim together. We don't swim together. We don't swim together. They watch TV. They watch TV. They don't watch TV. They don't watch TV. They buy apples. They buy apples. They don't buy apples. They don't buy apples. I have eaten an apple. I have eaten an apple. I haven't eaten an apple. I haven't eaten an apple. She has opened the door. She has opened the door. She hasn't opened the door. She hasn't opened the door. You have taken my pen. You have taken my pen. You haven't taken my pen. You haven't taken my pen. We have finished our work. We have finished our work. We haven't finished our work. We haven't finished our work. They have cleaned the room. They have cleaned the room. They haven't cleaned the room. They haven't cleaned the room. I have eaten lunch. I have eaten lunch. I haven't eaten lunch. I haven't eaten lunch. She has read the note. She has read the note. She hasn't read the note. She hasn't read the note. They have washed the car. They have washed the car. They haven't washed the car. They haven't washed the car. She has made a cake. She has made a cake. She hasn't made a cake. She hasn't made a cake. I have seen this cat. I have seen this cat. I haven't seen this cat. I haven't seen this cat. We have opened the box. We have opened the box. We haven't opened the box. We haven't opened the box. I am happy. I am happy. I am not happy. I am not happy. You are hungry. You are hungry. You are not hungry. You are not hungry. He is in the kitchen. He is in the kitchen. He isn't in the kitchen. He isn't in the kitchen. She is tired. She is tired. She isn't tired. She isn't tired. He is tall. He is tall. He isn't tall. He isn't tall. She is ready. She is ready. She isn't ready. She isn't ready. They are my friends. They are my friends. They aren't my friends. They aren't my friends. You were very kind. You were very kind. You weren't very kind. You weren't very kind. He was in the car. He was in the car. He wasn't in the car. He wasn't in the car. We were at the market. We were at the market. We weren't at the market. We weren't at the market. I was in the garden. I was in the garden. I wasn't in the garden. I wasn't in the garden. He was awake. He was awake. He wasn't awake. He wasn't awake. She was very quiet. She was very quiet. She wasn't very quiet. She wasn't very quiet. They were at the beach. They were at the beach. They weren't at the beach. They weren't at the beach.